What if I told you that you could stop paying expensive cable TV bills and still enjoy thousands of live TV channels, sports, movies, and TV shows all from one compact device? Today, we're checking out the Seekbox S3 Pro, a streaming box that's designed to make home entertainment simpler, smarter, and much more affordable. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. Streaming subscriptions keep getting more expensive. Cable TV costs continue to rise, yet many people only watch a handful of channels. The Seekbox S3 Pro takes a different approach. Instead of juggling multiple services, it brings together thousands of live channels, on-demand content, and modern streaming hardware into one small Android TV box. Let's start with the biggest reason why people buy it. The headline feature is the massive channels selection. With access to over 4,000 live TV channels, you'll find sports channels, local channels, entertainment, news, kids content, and even UK and Canadian programming. What's even better is that the library isn't static. New channels are added regularly, so the selection keeps growing over time. If you're someone who mainly watches live television, this alone could completely replace your traditional cable subscription and potentially save you money every month. That's one of the biggest reasons people are switching. Live TV is great, but sometimes you just want to watch a movie or binge an entire TV series. That's where the dedicated NeoVote app comes in. Instead of searching through live channels, NeoVote gives you quick access to on-demand movies and TV shows from a separate interface. It makes finding entertainment much faster and creates an experience that's closer to popular streaming platforms. Another feature I really like is the simple interface. You can pin your favorite channels directly to the home screen. That means instead of scrolling through thousands of channels every time, your most watched content is only one click away. It's a small feature, but after using it for a few days, it makes a surprisingly big difference. Under the hood, the Seekbox S3 Pro runs Android 11. That means better security, improved compatibility with Android apps, smoother navigation, and an overall more reliable experience compared to older Android TV boxes. When it comes to picture quality, the hardware is built for modern TVs. The device supports 4K video decoding at up to 60 frames per second and works with popular codecs including H.265, AV1, and H.264. Performance is handled by 4GB of DDR3 RAM, which helps keep navigation smooth while switching between apps. For storage, you get 64GB of eMMC, updates, and downloaded content without worrying about running out of space immediately. Connectivity is another area where this box keeps up with modern standards. It supports Wi-Fi 6, providing faster speeds and a more stable wireless connection, especially useful for streaming 4K content without buffering. You also get Bluetooth 5.1, making it easy to connect wireless headphones, speakers, keyboards, game controllers, or other Bluetooth accessories with lower latency and improved stability. So, who is the Seekbox S3 Pro actually for? If you're paying for expensive cable TV, if you love watching sports, if you want access to thousands of live channels, if you enjoy on-demand movies and TV shows, or if you simply want one affordable entertainment device, then the Seekbox S3 Pro is definitely worth considering. Overall, what makes the Seekbox S3 Pro stand out isn't just the hardware. It's the complete entertainment package. Thousands of live channels, a dedicated on-demand movie app, Android 11, 4K streaming support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and the possibility of replacing your monthly cable subscription, all in one compact device. If you want to learn more or check out the latest pricing, I'll leave everything linked in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.